We are in Fort George, St. Mary, a part of Jamaica that is green, lush, and absolutely gorgeous, tackling one of the most fun hikes I have ever done.
4.5 out of 10 for this hiking difficulty, and it's going to be all the way up to the riverhead.
It's the Pinkra River hike, and if you love water, you are going to love this one too. Let me set the scene. Fort George sits in the heart of St. Mary Parish, one of the wettest and most beautiful corners of Jamaica. The kind of place where everything is impossibly green, the air smells like rain and earth, and you feel like the rest of the world is very, very far away. And that rainfall? That is exactly what keeps the Pinkra River full, flowing and stunning all year round. Now, the trail itself is perfect for beginners. Mostly flat, open terrain. No steep mountain climbing. No thick bush scratching at your arms and legs. Just a clean, easy path that runs right alongside the river for most of the way. But here's what I need to tell you before anything else. This was our first time at Pinkra, and we had no idea just how wet we were going to get. We were not prepared for that level of soaked. And honestly, we were laughing about it the entire time. But we learned our lesson. And when we go back, because we are absolutely going back, we will be ready. So let me save you from our mistake and give you the gear list we wish we had. This is not a regular hike. First, forget the hiking boots. What you need are thick-soled water shoes. You are going to be stepping into rivers, walking over wet rocks, and crossing moving water multiple times. Second, put the hiking pants and long sleeves away. What you actually need is a wetsuit or swimwear. The water at Pinkra River is cool and refreshing. And since St. Mary is genuinely prone to rainfall, coming prepared will make this an absolutely fun day. Along the trail, you will stop at the river 3 times to cool off and enjoy the water. In between, there are 5 knee-deep crossings where you walk straight through the river to reach the next section of the trail. The terrain is open and the path is clear, so you are never fighting through bush or worrying about what is brushing against your skin. It is just you, the river, and the most beautiful stretch of St. Mary countryside. And then we reached the main river spot, a wide open natural pool with a waterfall pouring right into it, big enough for several swimmers at the same time, with plenty of room to float around and feel completely at peace. The water is cool, the sound of the falls fills the whole space, and the energy out there is just pure magic. Keeping it honest, the current is strong in certain areas. I stayed close to the corners where the water was calmer, and I still had an incredible time. Know your swimming level, find your spot, and enjoy every single second of it. This hike was organized by Fortis Tours and Hiking, and their Instagram handle is in the description below. Book with them. Just make sure you wear the right gear. Fort George, St. Mary is the kind of place that reminds you why Jamaica is so much more than resorts and postcards. It is rivers rushing through the countryside, and that specific feeling you get when cool water wraps around you, and everything just gets quiet for a moment.